How to make leaf prints. The illustrations for this book are collages made from a variety of materials that I cut and glued onto Bristol board. The materials included handmade paper, tissue paper, grocery bags, construction paper, scraps saved from other projects, and small pieces of birch bark that I found on the ground. There are also leaf prints in the pictures. Here's a way to make leaf prints. First, get your supplies ready. You will need tempera or poster paint, a medium-sized brush, water, and several sheets of paper. An old saucer or plastic lid is good for mixing paint. Ask a grown-up to help you find leaves from common plants that are safe to pick. Look for sturdy green leaves and gently pick one or two leaves from several different plants. Take a leaf and feel it. On one side you will feel the veins of the leaf. Brush this side with some paint. Be sure to cover the entire leaf. Now carefully put the leaf, paint side down, on a sheet of paper and cover it with another sheet. Press down and rub the leaf area. Gently lift the top sheet and the leaf. You will see a beautiful print. You might have to experiment a while until you learn how thick or thin the paint should be and how to rub the paper without moving the leaf. Try different colors. Try overlapping the prints. Have fun! Please note, you should never take bark off a living tree.